Odù Otura Meji, the Odù of harmony, enlightenment, and divine order. Otura Meji is an Odù of immense positivity and potential, representing peace, alignment, and the universal pursuit of truth. This Odù embodies the principles of balance, sincerity, and the transformative power of devotion. Often referred to as the Odù of the prophets, Otura Meji teaches that a steadfast character and alignment with higher wisdom lead to success, enlightenment, and abundance. It is both a guide and a reminder that spiritual harmony is the foundation of all blessings. The essence of Otura Meji. Otura Meji is deeply concerned with the principles of consciousness and character. It emphasizes the importance of aligning one's actions and thoughts with universal truths. In this Odù, we see the integration of the physical and spiritual realms, symbolized by the connection between Ori, destiny, and the divine source, Olodumare. The Odù speaks to the human journey of self-realization, urging us to develop inner peace, humility, and a sense of wonder in our interactions with the world. This Odù warns against arrogance, pride, and the misuse of power, highlighting the consequences of falsehood and manipulation. Otura Meji reminds us that true success is rooted in sincerity, humility, and the pursuit of harmony. Key Orishas in Otura Meji. Orisha Obatala. As the Orisha of purity, wisdom, and creation, Obatala governs the themes of peace and alignment in Otura Meji. He teaches the importance of patience and humility in achieving one's destiny. Orisha Orunmila. The prophet of Ifa, Orunmila, is central to Otura Meji, embodying wisdom, foresight, and divine guidance. He helps individuals navigate their paths with clarity and truth. Orisha Iyala. Known as the divine craftsman of Ori, Iyala shapes individual destinies. In this Odù, he represents the balance between skill and imperfection, reminding us of the importance of striving for self-improvement. Orisha Eshu Bara. Eshu plays a dual role in Otura Meji. As both the keeper of truth and the father of lies, he reminds us of the power of words and the need to wield them responsibly. Ella. Ella, the spirit of salvation and purity, is brought to earth in Otura Meji. His presence symbolizes divine grace and the transformative power of enlightenment. Key myths of Otura Meji. The first creation. In Otura Meji, we learn of a golden age in which the world was perfectly created by Orunmila under Olodumare's guidance. However, the original inhabitants were called back, and a new humanity was placed on earth. This story emphasizes the themes of renewal, perfection, and the importance of maintaining harmony. Orisha Iyala and the crafting of Ori. This Odù introduces Iyala as the divine artisan of human consciousness. Despite his great skill, Iyala is flawed, often producing Ori of varying quality. The myth highlights the duality of human potential and the importance of striving for alignment with one's destiny. Orisha Eshu and the power of words. Eshu is celebrated in this Odù as the master linguist who understands the power of words to create, destroy, or transform. This myth underscores the necessity of using language with care and integrity, as misuse can lead to chaos and destruction. The meaning of Otura Meji in Ire, blessings. In Ire, Otura Meji signals a period of peace, success, and spiritual alignment. It brings clarity to one's path and resolves conflicts, creating opportunities for growth and abundance. Health, healing, and vitality are restored, particularly through spiritual and natural remedies. This Odù encourages maintaining balance in the mind and body. Wealth. Prosperity flows easily in this state, often through sincerity, hard work, and divine favor. Offerings to Olokun or Ajay Saluga enhance financial stability. Relationships. Harmony in personal and familial relationships is emphasized, with a focus on mutual respect and understanding. Spiritual growth. Enlightenment and inner peace are achieved through devotion, humility, and alignment with one's Ori. The meaning of Otura Meji in Òṣogbo, adversity. In Òṣogbo, Otura Meji warns of falsehood, misaligned intentions, and the dangers of pride. Challenges arise as a result of arrogance, gossip, or the misuse of spiritual power. Health. Vulnerability to illnesses related to stress or the nervous system. Rituals to Òbàtálá and offerings of calmness and purity are recommended. Wealth. Financial instability may result from neglecting spiritual responsibilities or engaging in deceitful practices. Relationships. Misunderstandings and betrayals may arise from dishonesty or arrogance. Reconciliation and humility are essential to restore balance. Spiritual struggles. A lack of connection to one's Ori leads to confusion and poor decision-making. Regular divination and rituals to Eshu can clear these blockages. Core areas of life in Otura Meji. Character and integrity. Otura Meji emphasizes the development of Iwa character. As the foundation for a harmonious life, good character attracts blessings, while dishonesty and pride invite hardship. The power of words. This Odu teaches that words hold immense power to shape reality. It encourages mindful communication and warns against gossip or deceit. Destiny and enlightenment. Through Iyala and Orunmila, Otura Meji highlights the importance of aligning with one's destiny. Spiritual practices and humility lead to clarity and fulfillment. Peace and harmony. This Odu fosters peace within oneself and in relationships. It calls for patience, understanding, and a commitment to harmony in all aspects of life. Spiritual abundance. Otura Meji brings the energy of divine grace and prosperity, encouraging individuals to embrace their blessings with gratitude and humility. Symbolism and sacred elements of Otura Meji. The kingfisher, symbolizing abundance, love, and divine intervention. White cloth, representing purity, peace, and the guidance of Obatala. The divination tray, a reminder of balance and harmony in the four cardinal directions. Ella's sparkle, the hidden wisdom found in light and darkness. Conclusion. Otura Meji is the Odu of harmony, enlightenment, and divine order. It calls for the cultivation of good character, humility, and a deep connection to one's Ori. Whether in Ire or Òṣogbo, Otura Meji offers profound lessons on the power of words, the importance of balance, and the blessings of spiritual alignment. By embracing these principles, we unlock the path to peace, prosperity, and fulfillment. Ashe.